Think about the last time you cried at a movie. You knew what was going to happen. You had maybe even seen it before, and it still got you. Now go outside and watch a dog lose its owner. Watch an elephant stand over its dead calf. Watch a chimpanzee when one of its family is gone. They grieve. You can see it. But not one of them will ever shed a single tear. Not one animal on this entire planet cries the way you do. Not one. And scientists have spent over 100 years trying to figure out why. The answer is one of the strangest things about being human. But first, you need to know something most people have completely wrong. Your tears are not all the same. Your body makes 3 completely different types, and most people only know about one of them. The first type is running right now, as you sit here. Every few seconds when you blink, your eye produces a thin, invisible layer of fluid. Without it, your eyeball would dry out and you would go blind within hours. Every single animal with eyes produces this. Nothing special here. The second type, reflex tears. Chop an onion. Your eyes flood. Step into cold wind. They stream. Dust hits your eye. Your body flushes it out instantly. Fish do something similar. Reptiles do too. Still not special. But the third type. This is the one no other creature on Earth makes. Emotional tears. The tears that come when someone you loved just died. When a song hits you somewhere deep that you cannot even name. When something is so beautiful or so terrible that your body just doesn't know what else to do. Here is what makes them different. Emotional tears are chemically different from the other 2. Scientists have looked at them under a microscope. Emotional tears contain something the others don't. Stress hormones. And a mineral called manganese. You know how some people say crying makes them feel better? That is real. And this is why. Manganese builds up in your brain when you're under heavy stress. When you cry, your body pushes it out through your eyes. You're literally flushing stress through your face. In 1982, a scientist named William Fry spent years collecting human tears. He collected emotional tears and reflex tears separately, tested both. His finding: people who allow themselves to cry regularly carry lower stress levels than people who hold it all in. He called crying a natural pressure valve, and it turns out he was right. But none of this explains the real question, the one nobody has completely answered yet. Why does sadness come out of your eyes? Think about every other emotion. You are scared. Your legs move. You run. You're angry. Your muscles tighten. Your heart races. Your body prepares to fight. Every emotion has a clear physical action attached to it. But grief. You feel grief, and water runs down your face. What is the point of that? Scientists have been arguing about it for over a century. Here is where it gets interesting. The most supported theory is this: crying is a signal, not to yourself, to the people around you. It says, I am not okay. I cannot handle this alone. I need someone. Here is the proof. When you cry alone in a dark room with no one watching, most people feel worse afterward. Not better. But when you cry in front of someone who responds, someone who sits with you, puts a hand on your shoulder, your stress hormones actually drop. Your heart rate slows. The relief is measurable. The crying itself is not what helps. The response is what helps. So crying evolved as a way to pull other people toward you when you needed them most. Your ancestors, who could cry and get help from the people around them, they survived bad moments more often than the ones who suffered silently and got nothing. But then, in 2009, A scientist named Orrin Hasson found something that takes this even further. Something a little unsettling. Tears blur your vision. When you're crying, actually crying, your eyesight blurs. You cannot aim clearly. You cannot fight effectively. You cannot chase anyone. Hasson's argument: this is not a side effect. It is the point. Blurred vision is your body saying to everyone around you, I am not a threat right now. I am open. I am vulnerable. I cannot hurt you. And it works. You have seen this yourself. Someone is shouting. The situation is escalating. Then one person starts crying. And the whole room changes. Not because anyone decided to be kind. Because your brain sees tears and immediately lowers its guard. It is automatic. It happens before you think. But here is where the human story gets genuinely different from every other species. We cry at things that are not even real. In 2019, researchers tracked when adults cry most often in everyday life. The number one trigger was not personal loss. It was not physical pain. It was music, films, books, things that never happened, people who never existed. You have cried at a film where the actor went home fine afterward, ate dinner, and went to bed. The character died, not the person. And yet you cried. No other animal does this, not even close. Your tears are proof that your brain can enter another person's world so completely that your body responds as if it is your own. And there is one more piece of this story, the oldest piece, a baby. A human baby is born more helpless than almost any other mammal on the planet. A baby horse stands up within 1 hour of birth. A wildebeest calf can run within minutes. A human baby cannot lift its own head, and so it cries. But the cry is not random. Scientists have measured the pitch of a baby's cry. It sits at exactly the frequency that adult humans find hardest to ignore. Not just uncomfortable, impossible to leave alone. Hearing it raises the listener's stress hormones, creates urgency, forces a response. The cry is a tool. The only tool a newborn has, and it is incredibly effective. You came into this world completely helpless. No strength, no words, no way to get anything for yourself. And your body gave you one weapon, a sound that no adult around you could comfortably ignore. You used it every day until you learned other ways to ask. And then the cry changed. It went inside. It became the emotional tears you produce as an adult, still asking for something, still signaling, I need someone right now. Scientists have not fully agreed on why emotional tears exist. The stress release, the social signal, the vulnerability display. They each explain part of it. None of them explains all of it. But here is what we do know. You are the only creature on this planet who cries at a song. The only one who cries at the end of a story. The only one who can be broken open by something that happened to someone you have never met, or someone who never existed at all. Whatever crying is, it is not weakness. It is the signature of a species that can feel past the edge of its own life, into someone else's. Every tear you have ever cried at a film, a song, a memory, a face. Your brain was doing something no other brain on earth can do. It was feeling for someone else, as if they were you. So next time you cry at something and feel embarrassed about it, remember this: the dog next to you cannot do what you just did. The chimpanzee cannot do it. Nothing else alive on this planet can do it. Crying at fiction, crying for strangers, crying for people who never even existed. That is not a flaw. That is the most human thing you will ever do. And if you found this interesting, there is a lot more where this came from. Every week, this channel takes one question about being human and follows it all the way down. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.